When you think about changing your life or doing what you want, what comes to your mind? Do you think you need to do a complete 360 or 180-degree shift to get there? Most people do. But the truth is, you only need to make a 1-degree shift to get or have something different in life. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, The World of Awareness. What do I mean by a 1-degree shift? A 1-degree shift is doing just one thing different than what you did yesterday. James Clear, the author of the bestseller Atomic Habit, clearly explains that this 1-degree shift is small, very small in fact, but it's just enough to move you into a different direction. Imagine you are flying from Los Angeles to New York City, and if the pilot adjusts the heading just 3.5 degrees, you will land up at Washington instead of New York City. Similarly, a slight change in your daily habits will guide your life into a different direction. It's easy to overestimate the importance of one defining moment and underestimating the value of making small improvements on a daily basis. Too often, we convince ourselves that massive success requires massive actions, whether it's losing weight, building a business, writing a book, or getting a fellowship, or even achieving any other goals. Here is how math works out. If you can get 1% better each day for 1 year, you will end up 37 times better by the time you are done. Conversely, if you get 1% worse each day for 1 year, you will decline down to 0. What starts as small win or a minor setbacks will accumulate into something much more. Remember, habits are the compound interest of self-development. Same way money multiplies through compound interest, your habits multiplies as you repeat them. So dear friends, if you want to see some difference in your life, if you wanted to make some changes in your life, please note, make a 1-degree shift. Just make a 1-degree shift. See you next video. Bye.